Today, we're going to learn how to increase time on Canva videos. Start by navigating to the Create a Design option and clicking on it. Within the Create a Design section, select the Video option and click on it to proceed. After allowing a moment for the page to load, head over to the Design option, click on it, and you'll see a variety of templates available. Choose a template that suits your project. To adjust the length of your video, simply drag the timeline towards the right. You can also incorporate transitions for a smoother flow. For adding transitions between videos, explore the various transition features available and select one that fits your style. You can also adjust the duration of these transitions. If you wish to add more content, right-click where you'll find the option to duplicate a page. Click on it to add another segment to your video. That's how you can extend the duration of your video using Canva. Thank you.